You have.
In your workbooks, I would like you to turn to page 49. 49.
I got it. I can't find my. Someone took it. What? Remember when you took it out of his desk and had someone?
I'll let you use mine, but did you take a look?
No. She came in.
No, because Royce has his number on it. I have extras, so I gave them extras. Okay, turn to page 49.
49.
Ellie, get out your workbook.
499. That's what she said.
49. Check with your neighbor. Make sure they're on the right page. Andrew, get out your workbook. Andrew, get out your workbook, please.
I got the bill that has
Okay, did you check? Oh, I don't have everybody. Ashton, get out your workbook, please. Ooh, I think we need to practice our, the word just left. Rotations between when we're switching. We need to be quicker, right? I put this on the board probably 2 or 3 minutes ago.
I was on it as soon as you said.
In fact, I can tell on my the movie or the video that I just started that was 2 minutes ago. It shouldn't take us that long, almost 3 minutes. It shouldn't take us that long to get out a workbook and go to a page number.
It should take us 30 seconds.
Maybe 30 seconds.
20.
So we're going to work on that. We're going to work on getting faster. The faster that we are, and we get everybody with us, we'll get more signatures. Brinley?
We only have 9 more signatures. Missy Wonder's class, she'll time us.
Ah.
And if we're like over like a minute or something, she'll like do something.
Yes. We're not going to use our scissors right now. Yes, but not right now. Right now I want you to just look at this page. Okay, so on page 49, I want you to really take a look at this. I'm going to give you about 20 seconds to really take a look at page 49, and then we're going to take some observations. I want you to tell me what you notice. I want you to tell me any patterns that you see. And you can kind of review, so you can remember what we did yesterday and what we talked about. And then I'm going to take a few hands in just a minute. And you know, actually I might call on some people who don't have their hand raised today.
Oh, you're calling people when you don't?
Yeah.
Yes, call me.
You know what, I'm going to draw sticks. I think that's the best.
The sticks have never folded today. Only yesterday was I know.
Kaden, what do you notice? Okay, tell me one thing that you notice on page 49.
It labels them in thousands, hundreds, tens, ones.
Excellent, yeah. So we see our place values, right? Perfect. Keep going. What's after ones?
100, tens,
Oh.
hundreds, and thousands.
Yes, good job. So we go down thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Then we get to the spitters, right? The ones that have the at the end, the THS at the end. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths, right? Good job, Kaden. All right, let's see what else we notice. Ava, what do you notice?
At the bottom it says star, penny, and techno.
Awesome. Okay, so it's showing us in money what those look like, right? I love that. So we've got $1 in the ones place, $10, $100, right? But then as we go to the right on our page, we've got a dime for 10 cents, right? That's a tenth of a dollar. 1 penny in the hundredths place because 1 penny is 1/100th of a dollar. Yeah, that's a good observation, Ava. Tyson, do you have a question?
Yeah. How come there's a thousandths But in money, we don't use thousands.
Because we don't use anything smaller than a penny. That's the lowest our money system goes. I mean, we could,
on the
but we don't.
paper.
Well, on the paper, we do use numbers that go into the thousandths. They do still want to show us money, and so they're saying that a thousandth would be a tenth of a penny. But I know we don't use that in money.
So it's not even a cent.
Yeah, it's not. It's not even a cent.
Carson.
Carson. What? You said Carson? Did you see it? Carson, what else do you notice? Ah, yeah, exactly. I love that, Carson. That's a really good observation. So we've got the ones in the 1 spot. In the 10 spot, it's 10 over 1. In the 100 spot, it's 100 over 1. But as we move to the right of our decimal, then we see that, I like how Carson put that the bigger number's on the bottom because it's a fraction. So we've got the 10th, the 100th, and the 1,000th. Yeah, I like that. Ooh, this glare is going to be really bad. We'll see if that's better. Okay, good, Carson. Let's take one more. Let's see if anybody notices anything else. Andrew?
Are you trying to spell something with all the black stuff on the board?
No, it's just, I don't know, something's up with my markers
Wait,
and
it
eraser.
looks like a 6.
Alexa, do you notice anything else on this page? What happens to our numbers as we go this way?
They get
Hold on, I'm asking Alexa. Take a look. It goes from 1 to 10 to 100. What's happening to those numbers as we move to the left? They're getting bigger, exactly, right? And each time, they're getting 10 times bigger. 10 times bigger each time. Awesome. Okay, Bailey?
Oh, that reminds me, so I don't know if you pointed this out already, but if you look on your book, they're in different colors, and
They are different colors.
and the ones that have the same colors are like tens, and then if you go further, the same colors are hundreds, and then the same color is thousands.
Right? The tens and the tenths are both a light blue. The hundreds and the hundredths are both a turquoisey green. Jade green. Yours looks more turquoise, mine looks more green. And then our thousands and our thousandths are both a purple color, right? That's a good
And
observation.
there's only one, so it's one color.
And the ones are just the red. Yeah, I like that. Brindley, what else?
I noticed that on the better side,
Uh-huh.
that they don't have the ones, they only have the tenths, hundredths,
Right.
and thousands.
Yeah, the ones is only on this side of the decimal, but as soon as we go over, we go tenths and tens. Yeah, isn't that interesting? We don't have a oneths spot, do we? There's no oneths spot.
That just sounds wrong.
Yeah, I know it does.
Oneths.
The oneths. Italia, I have a question for you. What happens to our numbers as we go to the right? They go smaller, don't they? Yeah, you're exactly right. Good job. And so each time they're a tenth smaller, right? We're dividing by 10. We're dividing by 10. Each time we go that way, we divide by 10. We're getting even smaller pieces, right? A tenth of a candy bar, that's pretty tiny, right? That big maybe. But then if we have 100th of a candy bar, that's really small. And if we have 1,000th of a candy bar,
It's
That's-
like a crumb,
yeah, it's like picking a crumb up off the table, right?
but so much.
No, it's like half a crumb.
Half a crumb. All right. Excellent. Well, you guys are really good at making some observations. So good job. Now, turn your page. Actually, no, I lied. It's not on the next page. It's in the back of your book.
Are you serious?
Yes, I gotta find it. So, okay, in the back of your book, there are activity pages, and it's called 50A.
Really?
Yeah. through 50D. Hopefully you can read that.
We would do
Oh, is it right after? Hang on.
Yeah, you-
Oh, there it is. Just the page over. It is just the page over.
Really?
Sorry, friends.
Really?
Yep. Can I hold yours up? Looks like this. Just turn your page.
You had me flip all the way to the back.
Turn your page. Get your scissors out from your pouch, and I want you to cut along the dotted lines. Cut along the dotted lines on this page.
We're not.
Hunter, you might have these in your desk. I know you have that page. Remember that? Yeah, and we put them in a bag. Oh, you took them home? Okay, let me see if I can get another one for you to cut out. And then also, Bailey, can I hold yours up one more time? You're going to cut out this page all along the dotted line. I wanted to lick my fingers right then. Didn't. You're going to cut out this page along the dotted lines.
Oh, Rona, that's very
And then you're going to cut out this page
What?
along the dotted lines. And one last page, this
What?
page along the dotted lines.
Wait,
Shouldn't take you too long. You can rip those out of your book and then cut them.
do we cut 50G?
Yep, go through all of them because after that, you should be good.
How does page? I believe in you, Jaden. Mine is all perfect. I can't take my arm out because me and Blake are doing a challenge. Whoever takes their arm out first. Brooke is doing it with her arm.
Another perfection page.
What is it?
Andrew. I got one.
You've got about 3 minutes to come on. Oh, you can do it. Come on, what about me? You're fifth graders. You can cut fast. Yes.
No, little, my 1,000. Not fair.
Oh, you?
Maybe I can try that. Try what?
I'm a pretty fast cutter. Does anybody need help?
Me. I do. Oh, he does.
You? Oh, Kaden. If that's okay, Rory, I'll
Yeah.
help Kaden first, and then I'll help you if you still need it.
We were all saying,
Nope, we're gonna do all of them.
In 3 minutes.
Yeah. We can do it.
Probably easier to see them lined up if you put the...
Just the blue and the green ones that look like this. You guys have got it.
I'm gonna make black and orange.
Yeah, we're gonna play around with our numbers and our place values. They don't have to be perfect, so don't take too much time.
I didn't from your picture. I was like, it's easier to put the smaller ones on top of the bigger ones.
Oh, yeah.
We can do it. We can do it.
I'm almost done. I'm not. I just barely finished this.
I get like 1 or 2 pages for 5. That was easy. You sound insane. You're insane, Robbie.
Ooh, who's done? Landon. Good job, buddy.
Landon,
What I'd like you to do when you get done, put your scraps in the garbage. And then put all of your thousands in a pile, hundreds in a pile, tens in a pile, ones in a pile. Then all your tenths in a pile. Yeah, and then you're welcome to help other people for sure.
Oh, well, I know what to do, Connor, with the green one. What is it? Let me say what I cannot get this out. Okay, I need to help you. I hate ripping out paper. I love ripping out paper. It's a nightmare. I got it. Ripping out paper is a nightmare.
This is Norman.
Yes,
Will you send Rory to the office for a moment, please?
you bet. Thank you. I honestly thought about that as soon as you were like,
That's not what I trying to do that. Okay, look. You just cut in the middle of these and it goes all the way up on the bottom.
awesome. Okay, but now go start cutting out your
Like,
page.
cut like that.
Can you do these ones with your first order? I don't know. If it's not, don't worry about it.
If you do a little bit of folding, you can make it go a lot faster.
Erase these. Go check the back. That very last page of greens, maybe we don't need this one. That's fine. Chill. It's okay. If you already did it, that's fine. But if you haven't done this page, friends, give me your eyes, please. 3, 2, 1, 0. This page, I bet we can be fine if we know that our blanks are zeros. So let's not worry about this very last green page, okay? If you've already done it, fine. If not, we're good. Right on. I'll get you some tape.
for the record, I don't think anyone will be having a hard time.
Okay, right now for spelling. Here you go.
Thank you.
There's some things that is not It feels like it's been like 10 minutes.
It's day 15.
I'm also with one green page. I just cut all of those out and then I just cut them all together.
Hey, we are close. Tyson, you're going to have to take your arm out of that sling so that you can actually cut.
Yeah, to do that.
Why do you guys keep wearing those fake sleeves?
I know, right? Kaden, were those my scissors I took over there? Or were they yours?
Yeah.
I think they were. Oh, maybe these are mine. Bailey, can I help you? Okay, I'll let you.
I know how to do it faster. Yeah. I'm gonna
Remember, when you're done, you're going to put them all in their appropriate piles. You're sorting the thousands together, the hundreds together, the tens together, the ones together. What we're going to do when we're done is we're going to combine these to show numbers, and we're going to show the different place values.
Don't break the laws of physics. Don't break the laws of physics. Don't break the laws of physics. Or you might get detention. Don't break the law of physics. No, don't break the laws of physics. Ready, set, done.
Where do you sit? Do you want to cut it out?
Don't break the laws of physics. Don't you dare.
Look, does this ring a bell? Oh, Rapunzel.
Did you just start drawing?
I don't know what to draw. Oh, don't. Maybe I just have to sort that. Do we have to
Yes,
One time I here we go, 30. Yay. One time
Right, Rory, keep cutting, buddy. Oh, are you done? Excellent. Will you put your the scraps in the garbage? Okay. Finish that one. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you have one more minute. One more minute. You can do it. Good. Thank you, Hunter.
You are going too harsh on people.
What? We can cut.
Yeah,
We can cut fast.
You see how far some people are?
I'm so far.
I'm not worried about it. If you have to take longer, then you'll just cut while we keep going.
Wait, I'm confused. What do you mean sort?
All the hundreds, like 100, 200, 300 go in a pile. All the tenths go in a pile. Yep. There you go.
I don't like doing that because it takes kind of forever. But
My brother.
like one time, out there.
Perfect. Thank you, person. If anybody needs help, you will see if you can help them.
I need help sorting multiplication and cutting this.
So we had to find every single one and sort them. Oh, it was not fun.
Good job, Haley. Thank you, ma'am.
Really? Because it sounds like so much
Good job. Ella, can you try to put all of them in their piles, like all the thousands?
Yeah, done. I'm done.
So try to sort them out like that.
I'm done.
Find all the thousands.
I'm done.
Yeah.
I just put Wait, do we separate like the tens?
It'll help it be faster in just a minute when we move on.
.0 tree.
Okay, now.
Okay, there's the ones. There's the tens. There's the thousands. What is it? There's a thousand. There's the hundred.
Thanks, Dylan.
The hundred. They were all sorted by. There we go. Now I'm done.
Yep. We are so close.
Go am I. Huzzah.
Not me. Not me. How did it tell?
We're
You
close.
need help.
That's a good sign. Alrighty.
You need help.
No, this is our
You need help.
Hey, Braxton, I do see that Lizzie has some scraps. Maybe, oh, I'm looking at Carson. Either way, Carson, I called you the wrong name. I owe you a candy. I do see some scraps. Maybe those people who are done could be super helpful and throw
You
some
called
scraps
Carson
away.
Lizzie.
I called Carson Braxton.
Oh.
I always get called my brother's name.
What's your brother's name? Is this shoe or is this shoe?
Your brother's name is Pete.
That.
Mine too. No, your brother's name is Pete. Well, I have a brother named Pete.
Done.
Do I care? Yes. Remember what we decided? This would be the first unless you want to use the head of this one side. Ta-da! Okay, now the ring a bell. Oh, it's a done. Dang it, all the hundreds are mixed in with the thousands.
Class.
Yes! Yes.
Everybody back to their spots?
I am in my spot.
If you're not quite done, you're going to finish. But everybody else should be back with me.
And 5, 4, 3,
Oh,
2,
Connor.
1.
That's my dog. Thanks.
Wait, you have a dog?
Ashton, if that's trash, I would like you to put that in the garbage, please. Okay, now make sure on your desk that you have just a little bit of space because we are going to combine some of these to make some really awesome numbers. You'll have to have a blank spot on your desk. If you have anything else out on your desk besides math stuff, if it's drawing or something, put it away for now because we are working on math. We are heading back. With your place value cards that we just made, I would like you to create this number.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Create this number. Go. Ashton, hurry please. This is the number you're creating with your decimal or your place value flashcards. Make it expanded form, or you can kind of combine them to show, right?
Wait, we have to make it expanded form?
Well, how about this? Landon, show the class. He's got it. He's holding it up. That's still really not expanded form. You're going to put that 6 right over the 0, right? And make 7, 6. There we go. Put it on your desk. I'm walking around.
Did it?
I would use this 70 and then 6 over the 0.
I'm pretty sure you're supposed to take a 70
Good
from
job. Okay. You know what? Now, I know you guys made this with your ones. Show me expanded form. Show me expanded form. Since we're working on our place values, I think we really should focus on this. I want to see the expanded form.
We don't have any symbols. We don't have plus or minus.
I will know what goes in the middle, but I need to see that you know good. There we go. Good Okay. There we go. Good job, Natalia. Good job. There we go. Very good. Very good. Okay. Good job. Good job, Hunter.
Okay, hey, okay, hey.
All right.
Okay.
Hey, now we got to get harder, right?
Yeah, okay.
No.
Thank you.
Expanded form. Oh, I'll wait till it's quiet.
Of 2.
Just 2.
Oh, I'm still hearing a little bit of chatting. I'm going to wait till it's quiet. All right, let's do the expanded form for this number. Expanded form.
Expanded.
Well, how about I will cut those out while you start creating that number. Okay, can I borrow your scissors? I know you'll need these, but first get out your 2,000 and then your 400.
Done. Hey, if I kind of messed up the numbers right there.
Okay, I'm done.
Oh, I didn't put mine in. I'm just putting mine in number 4, and then I'll put it in.
Good job. Can you find your 400? Is that what you're looking for next?
400.
I'll be coming around. Yeehaw! Okay, now find 30, which is right here. There you go. And 5 is in this pile right here. Aha, you got it. Good job, Ella.
2,400.
Okay. Good job, Rory. You got it. I'm seeing good work here, friend. Oh, really? I'm serious.
Yeah, well, I kind of like messed up.
Oh, I've made a very long number.
No, you didn't.
I have made a very long number with lots of zeros.
Holy cow. That's a big cow. 2 billion.
I did it. I did it. I did it.
Yeah, see, it's just like that.
I did it. It's 2,435. I did it.
Okay, we got to move on. Good job. Now, let's try one that's a little bit more difficult.
Let us put our numbers away.
I want you to show me with your cards. This one I want you to just hold up. I'm going to look from here.
Ooh.
I'm going to show you the fraction. I want you to show me the decimal. Here's your fraction. You show me the decimal. Hold it up.
Wait, what?
I can't.
Aren't there only 10?
I don't understand.
Teacher.
What?
Oh, Riley. Rory. Sorry. Oh, I owe you one too. Show the class. Hold it. Turn it around like this.
Yeah, like this.
5,000.
Like that.
Oh, I lied. You are right. You are right. I'm so sorry. I did write it incorrectly. But Rory got it. He got it. 5 1,000ths. My bad.
I don't understand
5
that.
1,000ths. Oh, there's no booing. Everybody makes mistakes. You know that. I know you make mistakes. You know I make
That
mistakes.
didn't make sense.
Wait, so go.
But now you got it, right? There we go.
Yeah, I got that one.
Thank you.
This is the only one.
Tyson.
Wait, so fists can't go?
No.
No more pulls.
No, is it a 1 or should it be a 5? Can you find a 5 like that, Landon? You are close, but find the one that's a 5. There we go, Kaden. There we go. I'm sorry I confused you. I think we're all coming back together, right? As a decimal, it should look like 5 thousandths. 5 thousandths, right? That's the one that you're looking for. Okay, let's see if I can get this one right.
Yeah. One minute just go like that. Oh,
Show me expanded form for this one.
come on.
Oh, come on. Expanded form for this one.
Wait, why? Why did you do this to me?
It's okay.
Because this is what we're learning. This time I wrote it correctly, so you got this.
You're scary.
That's my job.
My job to be a spooky, scary skeleton. I don't understand
Class.
Yes.
This 5 right here, what place value is it in?
1.
In the ones. So first, find your 5 ones. Is it green or blue? It should be blue. You got it, Riley. It should be a blue 5. Good, Rory, you got it.
Got it.
Find your 5 ones, Ella. At the top. Go, keep going up. Yes, right there.
Did I get it?
Okay, this 3. What place value is it in, Landon? Tenths. So find your 3 tenths. 3 tenths.
I finished.
Uh-oh, but look. This is my decimal point. So what color is the 3 tenths? Green or blue? Green. The 3 tenths in expanded form should look like this. Right?
Yeah.
So we have 5 ones plus 3 tenths. This one should be green. Find it.
I didn't realize we were expanding. I did it. Where's my 4, my man?
Okay, the 4. What place value is it in, Braxton? What place value is this?
100.
Hundredths. Green or blue?
Green.
Green. And it should look like...
0.4.
Connor, do you want to... Oh, I wrote it really high. Tell me the numbers. What should this one look like?
I'll write it.
You want to come right up?
Yeah. If I can get up there.
I did it.
If not, just write it lower. I tend to write really high so the people in the back
Yeah,
can see.
I could, but I just don't want to. So, plus.
Like 4.
You are so good. Thank you, Connor. Awesome. There we go. Is that what you got?
Yes.
Check your neighbors really quick. Make sure that they've got it.
That is what I got. Then I put all the cards.
Thanks, Connor. You are good. All right. Thank you, sir. Landon, are you my paper passer?
Really, Connor? Yes, really.
Got it.
That's the stupidest face I've ever seen.
I think we need this one.
Class.
Yes.
That was great. Now listen very carefully. Landon is passing out your homework. Leave your cards for a moment because the next thing... Oh, I'm hearing some talking, but I need everyone listening to my instructions. I will pass out a baggie next so that you can put these in your baggie. And we'll practice with these again tomorrow. Lucas, hold your scissors still, please. So that we can practice with these a little bit more tomorrow. Your homework today is very similar to what we've done. Now, you won't have cards, but you'll be writing from expanded form, and you'll shorten it. Or you may write...
Bailey.
Who's my... Oh, Bailey, thank you. It might be just a warning. Oh, it is. Okay. And
Who's in that sponge face?
okay, so I'll pass out a baggie next. Take about 2 minutes on your homework. It's really basically a review of what we did yesterday and just kind of doing a little expanded form. Maddox already does have one, actually. I sent it home.
You seriously?
Yeah, but you can do the rest for homework. This really shouldn't take you too long today. Plus, if you need, I'm going to post my teaching video, which we didn't do a ton because we took a lot of time cutting today. But I'm going to put that on Google Classroom, so if you have to rewatch, you can. Tyson?
With the paper that we didn't throw away, we could cut off some of the white paper at the bottom, make little squares.
That's true. You could do that. You could do that. We're going to do just 1 or 2 of these together in each section so that you know what you're doing for a little bit later at home. Okay? Yeah.
That sounds good.
Just throw them in your baggie. It's fine. We'll organize tomorrow. We'll do a couple together in just 1 sec, okay?
The homework side or the
That looks like oil. What? Your water looks like oil. It might be.
What's the point of doing a tiny bit right now when you're just gonna have
We'll go in the back of that math one.
And today's my dad's birthday, so I probably won't even have time to do it.
Oh, it's you. Sorry, Brinley. Thank you. All right. Look who's here for you. He's coming to pick you up to go to the speech, buddy. Deal. That is a deal. Okay. That sounds like a good deal.
Today's my dad's birthday, so I probably won't.
All right.
Bye, Hunter. Hunter, glasses.
Really quickly, let's just do a couple together so when you get home you know exactly what you're doing. Okay? Andrew, do you have a question?
Yeah. 210,000. That makes that.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, remember, it's the last number that goes in the thousandth spot. So, 210,050. So if I'm looking at, 50, there we go, and 1900s.
Oh, okay.
So 210,000, 10,000 is right here, 50, which tells me there's nothing in my hundreds spot, right? It didn't list anything in the hundreds, so a 0 goes
I
there.
thought it was 2,000 and then 10,000.
Okay, gotcha. The one that they're looking at is number 2. This is number 2 that Andrew had a question about. It reads 210,050 and 1900s. That's what that would look like. 1900s right here. Yes, Carson. Because it didn't list any hundreds in there. If you read it, it says 210,050. But it doesn't list any hundreds, does it? So if it doesn't say any hundreds, then we just put a 0 in that spot.
Got it.
Okay, Tyson?
How come you wrote 19? It says, oh, I'm looking at number 1.
Yeah, this one was
Never
number
mind.
2.
Never mind.
Let's do number 1 together really quickly as well, and then I'll move down to the bottom. 1 reads 9,605. Ooh, do you hear a tens in there? I don't. Okay, so we got to remember that. And 9 tenths. Okay, so let's start. We're going to do 9,600. There's no 5s. Or no 10s. Wow. No 10s. So in that part goes a 0. 605. And that means the and means a decimal point. And 9 tenths.
Yeah.
Right? Andrew.
When it's a mixed number, does that mean the mixed number, the number goes first and then you put the decimal?
Uh-huh.
I just wanted to clarify that so I don't mess up.
This time we're just writing the decimal, so we don't have to write it out in expanded form. We're just writing the number just like this. Okay? Maybe just write these next to it. You don't need to erase, though. Okay, let's look at number 6. I'm just moving down to the next section. Number 6 looks like this. 602 over 1,000. Okay, so they wrote it right, and now this is the kind that I messed up earlier. But if we read this, we read it as 602 thousandths, right? 602 thousandths. We just need to write this as a decimal number. We did this yesterday. So 602 thousandths means here's my 0 in my decimal to get started. The 2 is my last number. That's the number that's going... Oh, I have a shout out. If you have a question, raise your hand. The 2 is the one that's going to go in the thousandths spot. So 602 thousandths looks like this. Tenths, hundredths, thousandths, just like that. Braxton, yes, sir.
Do number 8. I like that one.
Do number 8, 4, and 9 tenths.
Probably the easiest problem.
Okay, so it looks like this, 4 and 9 tenths. I've got 4 ones and 9 tenths. 4 ones, 9 tenths. So instead of putting a 0 before my decimal, what am I going to put? A 4.
This is Norman.
Yes.
Will you send Ashton to the office for a moment, please?
Yeah, you bet. Thank you.
Thanks.
4 and 9 tenths. The 9 goes in my tenths spot. There we go. We can turn a mixed number into a decimal. We did it. The 4 is a ones. It goes in the ones spot.
Do number 10.
And then the 9 tenths. We actually have to move on,
Can you
friends.
just do number 10, please?
Number 10. I'll do one more.
Okay.
Okay, number 10, right here. Hopefully my computer can pick it up. I'll do it right here. Number 10. Okay, we are showing 35 and 712 thousandths. There we go. Okay. This is a mixed number right now, right? If we turn it into a decimal, my whole number, I've got tens and ones, they're going to go on the left of the decimal, right? So 35, and remember the and is our decimal. 35 and 712 thousandths looks like 35 and, decimal means what, friends? It's the and. 35 and 712 thousandths, the 2 is going to be in the thousandth spot, so it should look like this. Right? Because we've got tenths, hundredths, thousandths.
Yeah.
Okay. We have to be done for the day. The rest is homework. You guys got this. Unless, hey, if you finish work early today in some other time frame, you can finish your math homework.
It's going to be hard
During
for
class.
me because my dad's birthday is today.
Then try to, well, Connor, but you're drawing right now.
I know,
Okay.
but I was doing stuff with you.
Okay. But if you are able to finish work early later